You just found the 2019 Mini Hardtop. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Indulge your passion for genuine motorsport exhilaration in this Mini Cooper Hardtop. A perfect blend of iconic retro style, razor-sharp handling, and zesty performance brings inspiration and pure delight to every drive. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: panoramic roof, keyless entry, premium sound system, heated mirrors, fog lamps, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, steering wheel audio controls, leather steering wheel. Spry performance meets retro chic in this characterful Mini Cooper Hardtop. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.